Welcome to Memdal School. This video demonstrates how to navigate your way around the portal. Let's begin by logging in. When you enter your login credentials and hit on the login button, you are redirected to your dashboard. This is how your dashboard looks like. On the left here, you find links to several pages on the portal, such as my courses, certificate, purchase history, settings, support. Let's begin from my courses. You click on my courses. When you click on my courses, you're taken to the course page where you see all the courses you're enrolled in. So here we have three tabs: active courses, completed courses, locked courses. Active courses displays the list of those courses that you are currently learning, for instance, data analysis associate. Completed courses list the courses you have already completed on the portal. Locked courses displays those courses whose deadlines are due, those courses that have been due for a very long time. This is where you can find those locked courses. Locked courses means that you cannot access this course because the course has expired. Okay, it has been locked. So you can click to unlock any course that has been locked and continue to learn. So let's click on this course, data analysis associate course you're enrolled in, for instance. And also let me go back and show you something very important. This course has some information that you need to know. Course start dates, end date, course type. Okay, so this is when the course started, and then this is when the course will end. It's very important. You need to follow the schedule and lay down for a particular course. So let's click on the course name. Okay, so when you click on a course, you are redirected to that course details page. Here you find project assignments. If that course has a project and the project has been assigned to you, this is where you see the list of all the projects you need to work on. So here you see the project details, you see the project title, project details, the start date and the end date of the project. And then you click on this button to open and submit your project. So from here you read about the project, the details information of the project, what you're asked to do. You go and do it off the portal, do your project, and then once you're done, you come and click on this button to upload and submit your project. Note, your project must be submitted in PDF file. So you click here to navigate to where your project is. After working on it, you upload the project and then click on submit project. Immediately you submit this project, your project will be visible to your other learners in this cohort. So they will review your project. You will also review other learners' project. Peer review is one of our core methodologies. Okay, so it's very, very important. When you scroll down, you see your project score. If your project has been reviewed by your peers, you will find your project score here depending on how they score you. You can also click on this link to open or copy this link and share with your other learners in this cohort so they can review your project directly. Let's click on go back button. On the right hand side here, you find this link. Click here to review other peers' projects. So we click on this link. This is where you see the list of other learners' projects which you have to review. Remember, your project too is listed, on their own end, on their own dashboard. When they log in, they will also review you. So here you click on this button to review a particular person's project, a particular learner's project. Note, you cannot review yourself. It's very important. You can't review yourself. It's very important to note this. So click on review here. This will take you to this page where you can see that project that you're reviewing. Here you can download the project to your local system, study the project and see the comment you want to make on the project, and also rate the person. We have 5 stars here. Okay, each stars represent a mark, like 20 marks and all that. So you select a particular star ratings depending on the output of the project. So once that is done, you click on submit. You have reviewed that project. Okay, the essence of peer review is for you to learn from different perspectives. When you're working on the project, you work on yourself, you work alone, right? So it would be wise for you to also learn from others, how others are handling the same project. That is the major reasons for peer reviews on Memdal School. So once that is done, you can click on back, click on here to download the project. Project will be downloaded. You open it, you go through it, and then drop your comment and your review. So let's go back. You scroll down here on the right hand side too, you'll find this button, rate this course. Once you're done going through the course, studying, you can come here and then leave your feedback. We depend on your feedback to improve the course and the portal. So we encourage you to drop feedback, whatever you feel, whatever you want us to improve on the course. Come right here and drop your feedback for us. Okay, so let's scroll down. Also, you see this tab. This is the course you're enrolled in. You see other students that are enrolled in this same course as well. You can also see your course progress. The portal, keeps your progress as you are learning, as you are learning from it, from the portal. The ESM keeps your progress. Also, on the right hand side, you find your project course. This course has been given to you by your peer. They have reviewed your project and they have, score you. This is what you get. Then coming down here, you find course resources. This is where you find all the resources you need for the course. For instance, when you learn in this course, you'll be exposed to different ways of doing analyzing data, for example, or doing a particular project. So those courses or those topics will have data set which you need to follow along to achieve the end result of the course. So any resources that is needed for you to complete that course will be listed here. So training resources folder, you can click on it. When you click on it, you download the training resources folder and then store it somewhere where you can follow along with the instructor. You can also see practice data set from third-party website. Scroll down here, you see email addresses where you can contact us when you have any issue. And you also see the curriculum for the course. They will be listed here. So right here, let's click on start lecture. Start lecture means you want to go inside the classroom and start learning. So let's click on start lecture here. When you click on start lecture, you are taken to the classroom of that course where you can start learning immediately. So on the left hand side, you see all the topics grouped under modules. So you click on a particular lessons and then go through it. Some lessons may be text-based, others are videos, some others are both a combination of text and video. So you scroll down and then learn. Ensure that you mark as completed for your progress to be tracked. So you scroll down and then keep on learning. Once you're done, if you have any issue in the process of learning, you can click on support here and then write a mail to us. We will receive your mail and then work on your request. So here you can go back to your dashboard by clicking on the dashboard links here. You can go back to your dashboard. All right, so we are back on the dashboard. On the dashboard gives you statistics information of your learning, your log courses, completed courses, your certificate. So I talked about my courses. Let's move on to the certificate link. So click on the certificate. Immediately you complete this course 100% and your project have been reviewed, right? If your course has project. So you see the list of your certificate here if you are enrolled in multiple courses. So your certificate is automatically generated. Each certificate has a verification number that can be verified on our portal. So to see your certificate, you come to certificate here, and then they will all be listed here. Purchase history shows you, your purchase history of the course. Then settings is one of the important sections which you need to click on to set information about your profile. Here you can update your first name, last name, phone number, bio, LinkedIn, GitHub details if you have them. Right on the right side of the screen, you will find this text box, display name on certificate. What name would you like to see on your certificate? This is where you will change it. Okay, immediately you register on the course, the system automatically gets the name you use in registration as the name you want to display on your certificate. If that is not cool with you, this is where you can come to change it. When you change it, ensure that you click on update name. This is the name that will appear on your certificate. So here too, you can upload your profile picture so that you can have your profile picture here. If you want to change your password, you click on change password and then enter your new password. Enter your current password, new password, confirm the password, and click on reset password. This will update your password. So if you have any issue, you click on support here and then write a mail to us. We will attend to your request. Once you're done working on this portal, you simply click on log out. So that is how to navigate your way around the portal.